Nigga, I was also scared for my life. That shit popped up out of random.
Shit. In pounds, I was like 20 like a foot here, like 60.
Pounds of it, when you send it pounds.
Yeah, and I never come early.
Now we'll have to move.
Hey, we are not here. Can you believe it? A 4-year-old. Oh, I'm going to go, man. It could have been Rasco Makshang my boy. I hate this young. Oh, shit. It's crazy, yes.
The new age.
This new age kids needs to learn respect, bro. You need to respect your elders.
He's calm.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. But like he's being calm, this kid, bro. He's trying to check yeah, he's being calm.
The music is trash.
Yeah.
Oh, listen. This is what I did. You see here? I was doing for a single man. Yeah, but wait, let me tell you something. The music is trash.
You even buy the views. No. Hey, you even buy the views. Fight cousin with no, we promote. We don't buy views, we promote it. Yeah, you're gonna die, but I lay on. I let on the onion and you was sick. Oh shit. Like they expect you to do so much, but what was the outcome? You can't lie. Ngizomtshela le nje le time elizophuma la ngilitshele yonke indaba zami beyizele lokho le ntwana la no cruise kuba kayanga manje lapho honest shit.
Yeah, cause him going there.
Ngaba kayanga la fit ngaba kayanga.
Show him ukuthi vele imthinte offside le nto le.
But I think it also kind of worked out for himself as well.
But just don't you think also these niggas planned this thing?
Yeah, because you know that was the second meetup. Because the first one it was live.
Yeah.
Yenzakalebe live. Omnye phone and then Aaron will organize like a proper meetup. Because there's another live stream before that one. Now Aaron was then Aaron will arrange a proper meetup, live stream, face to face right now. But the motherfucker must repeat what he was saying. I was me, Bob.
Somebody came there very calm. I like what he came very calm, yeah, just to talk to the kid, and he understood the kid thing. Good content creator, he's trying to get views. Like he came very calm. Like the hunter wasn't gonna escalate if that kid didn't say your music is trash on your face.
That's why don't you think a part of it was all orchestrated from the get-go?
Yeah, I think so. Everything, man, it's all about promotion.
Yeah, maybe Cruz is about to drop an album, but then now they curated this thing so well.
Yeah.
Because in Ghana there's no one Jengoba Bush. Umuntu sekala so samtshela straight, hey Footman ngicela ukukhuluma. Your music is trash.
Now ulokhu ujudo ubani lo mfana lo obeku piano phansi. Ethe bekhokhele ulihleza ukuthi ayokhuluma amasimba ngonotha.
No, I think I would believe that podcast, that shit looked very real. They're not a bit too straight. And the baby shy is there's no acting lab. Yeah, one of them punch the way to yeah, one of the shit is getting really. Even the pounds move, I say,
as much as it's orchestrated between them. Like Obi, like let's say.
Oh yeah, maybe yes.
Yeah, like for example, Lento they would say, I went back to age. Veli sazokuthinda. Yes, sakhuluma sakwara, but it's orchestrated.
Yeah. No, you're not there. Maybe calling it orchestration and then it went left.
Yes.
It definitely went left.
Yeah, I'm Tinda.
It went left.
Because
shout out to Hit Blunt. Shout out to Hit Blunt. You guys need to stop speaking trash about people now. Yeah.
We don't speak trash, we speak facts.
You guys saying what's this? Event organizers, they need to do proper light up for hip hop artists.
Yeah.
So it's coming.
They have a full episode on that. It's coming very soon. We're gonna talk to one of the promoters. We're We're gonna have one of the promoters to come through
So what are
and
you
tell
saying?
us kahle kahle
What are you
ukuthi
saying? Get beef ga Speedster
Why do they choose such?
somnyama Speedy boy.
Speedy ah, Speedy way. Alama pifa so ke pifi ya ba pifa la indaba na we quality.
I mean, I hear what Speedy is
Like
saying.
what's the beef about?
So, Speedy is saying, Guti, according to him, last year in 2025, Blackie didn't do anything for hip hop.
Yeah.
Yeah, well,
Yes.
which is a fair argument. It's a conversation. Blackie can back it up and say, this is what I did. But then he can't even do that. Yeah, well, all he's saying is like, nah, fuck that nigga, what this, that. Well, like,
You
he's
know-
not coming with the facts.
I think what pissed off Blakey, the way he addressed it, Speedy Boy, which Blakey didn't do shit. You understand? And if you watch that clip, you can see facial expression guys speeding at it. There is something behind
There's
that.
an agenda
Hey,
behind
there's an agenda behind that thing. You understand?
Guys, we hip hop is kuluma kanjalo guys. As either way is kuluma ngakona, we say it kanjalo. I think if umtshele kahle ukuthi ay usomnyama kayenzanga nix. Bekanganeke iyenzeke le beef. But ngoba uthe it didn't do shit. Yavese yametha wenzi ngesomnyama naye. Now he decided to go kule podcast kwenza lezi zinto zabo Speedy Boy.
Yeah, it was another thing.
Oh,
That's
and
true.
another thing. Blake didn't want to go to Speedster's 5FM show to go rap.
He
That's-
did. He didn't want to
Did he-
freestyle.
Yeah, initially he didn't
Yeah.
want to go. Yeah, but then now on top of that, he didn't even freestyle.
No. As in, I think actually, I didn't this thing start like we eat milk and cookies because Speedy nguye bekavulela uGhana. He was the last performer, and then kuzongena uGhana, and then Blake you performing about 3. You understand? And that's when abantu
3 minutes.
yeah, so I think also into yenzakele with social media there was this argument ukuthi why would you put Blake instead of ufake Speed? You would have put someone like what. So there was a lot of ukuthi mina ngizabe ngifake ubani Thukuthela what because they have more energy. So it was all about that, you understand, which why would they put this one? So I think iqale lapho. So ulokhu nje uBlake upostile tweet or Facebook, I don't know, I posted timeline I guessed uGhana wana is uyangisaba, something like that. So I think isuke lapho. Maybe uSpeed uyithathe ngokuthi so kahle bekufaneleke kube uwe, you understand, who opens up for this guy. I don't deserve that thing. So that's why ngithi when uSpeed makethe Blakey didn't do shit, maybe there was a meaning behind all of that. So isuke lapho from the get-go.
It's a build-up. You can
It's a
tell that it's a
build-up,
build-up.
yeah.
It wasn't just.
Yeah, it wasn't
out
just
of
that
nowhere.
nje ukuthi yeah, because ulokhu Blake waposta loo nto athi zonibona ngo-3 I guess uGhana 1 uyangisaba. Then kwavuka ke lonke lo ma comments ukuthi hey, why they didn't put you instead of no what this and that, you understand, became that thing.
So is that what we are now? We
Yeah.
need to start a beef or start something for us to trend or to sell our music.
Yeah.
Is that what's happening now?
Yeah, now no Swish beef no Tony Diamond.
Wow, wow. What's happening?
Ukwatela ukuthi azange bambhadala i-2 clip ukuthi apromote.
Yeah, it's uzomnika.
Promote something.
Okay, Swish, yeah.
Yeah.
No.
No, okay, Swish. Oh, yeah, ngiyayikhumbula ko yeah. Ngithuthi DJ, I'm like, "Hawu, nalabo sabaya beef manje." Oh. Hey.
But sometimes I'm affected like he doesn't have them straight.
Nah.
It's like, you know,
Yeah. I think boy he does research cool than knowing about the culture and then being part of the culture, and he researches almost everything. But when it comes to knowing about the culture and everything, yeah. And he said, no, mama, he's not a rapper. What? Like, why would you even say shit like that? ngathi akasincayo le ntwana zasemlazi.
But to be honest, I feel like this thing, whatever, it's just your opinion, dog. Because you can't always please an artist, dog. I sure will rap nandi. So if dog, I feel like I will chichi flow, dog. Because that's my opinion. You understand? I'm the one who listens to music. As much as when the music, when I'm friends with, people are gonna listen music and fan. We understand. We understand. So it's just a case of opinion. Your
Subscribe, hit blind. Subscribe. Follow us, share with your friend, please, guys. Share with your friend. We're starting up. More podcasts coming. We have more episodes coming, of course. So
I am hungry.
Please subscribe. Tell your friends to subscribe. We're on the road. We're still hitting plans.